This is another case of a counterfeit GE filter from Amazon. This is the old filter. And you can see, hopefully on the video it picks up, there's a circle right here underneath the label. If I turn it a certain way, you could probably see. But there is a chip inside this, under this label, that communicates with the board in the refrigerator. And it's round, and it's right here. It's a dark spot under the label that you can see. This new filter, this counterfeit filter, does not have a microchip in it. It's a counterfeit filter. It will not let the board reset the filter light, and it will not let water come out the door, and you won't have ice. It's just counterfeit.